Yesterday, Cursor dropped an iOS app. It is allowing people to vibe code from anywhere, and this is a game changer when it comes to actually building software, web apps, iPhone apps, whatever it is you're building. Because now people can just whip out their phone, start up a cloud agent, and build a project straight from their phone. So today we're going to take a look at Cursor's post. I'm going to show you just the key details so you don't need to bother yourself reading the whole thing. And then at the end, I'm going to show you real quick how to actually use the iOS app so you can get started vibe coding from your phone right after this video. So, build from anywhere with Cursor for iOS. Cursor is now available as a native iOS app, and it's in public beta, so there's still some work to be done, but I've tested it myself, and it is working great from end to end. So, you can now launch and track agents from anywhere. You open up the Cursor mobile app and you can start a conversation with an agent. You pick whatever project you want to work on, whether it's an existing one or a new one. The cloud agent sets up an environment and then you can get to work building whatever it is that you want to build. This is creating new ways of working from your phone because with the Cursor mobile app, you can now handle issues on the fly. If there's a problem with your UI, you can quickly whip out your phone, make an edit, push it to GitHub, and have it deployed in minutes. If there is an issue that comes up within the team, you can access the Git repo, see what happened, and get down to the bottom of the issue, all while having an agent by your side. In addition to being able to build on the fly, you can also just send a message and it will build whether your phone is on or off. So this allows you to just send a prompt, close your phone, and it will alert you when it is finished. Beyond the scope of just coding, inside the app, cloud agents can also take screenshots of the work it is that they create. So like I said, you can make a UI fix on the fly. Now the agent can actually screenshot that UI fix, review it themselves, and if it's wrong, they'll fix it themselves. This is something that not many other vibe coding platforms allow, and this is one thing that sets Cursor apart for sure. There's also handoffs between local and cloud. This is something that I do often, right? So if I'm out, driving, whatever it is, and I send out a message to get something done, I can then go home, open my computer, and I can just open that exact cloud agent that I opened on my phone and continue working in that same window. Or just have another agent that I open locally review the code that was done on the cloud. Cursor iOS is available right now, and you can get 75% off on Composer 2.5 through July 5th. So get working ASAP. Now let's take a quick look at the actual app so you know how to navigate it. So I'm gonna open up phone mirroring right here. Here we are inside of the Cursor app. So this is gonna be, you're gonna need to sign in if you're not already signed in. And then this is gonna be kind of like your home overview dashboard. The overview is just your repos. So if you connect your GitHub account, it will automatically sync all of your repos, and then you can just pull your repos in as you want them. So just hit add repo, and then you'll see all your repos. Just select whatever repo you want to actually bring onto your mobile iOS app. And then once you have it, you can just simply click on it and you can start a brand new chat or head into an existing one. You can view PRs straight from the bottom left. You can mark things as ready, and you can even speak to it so that you don't have to text. Like I said, if you're driving, that might be the better route to go rather than texting it. You can add images right here in the bottom left. You can also put the agent in plan draft mode so that it's not actually doing work if you don't want it to. Let's say work requires visibility on the ENV, then maybe you don't want it to do work, you just want to plan. And then lastly, you have your profile section where you can see pretty much your usage. Yeah, I've been using Cursor for 33 days straight at this point. And this is just going to be an overall account overview. So that's the app in a nutshell, really very simple. Just head into it, connect to your GitHub, and then you can just pull repos as you want them and start chats as you want to. You can then open up your computer and everything's going to be completely synced as long as it's the same Cursor account. So that is the Cursor iOS app from A to Z. I hope that this was easy to follow, and I hope you see how valuable this can actually be, allowing people to essentially get almost the same visibility you can if you were coding on your laptop. That's going to be it. Quick video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe if this was at all helpful, and I will see you in the next video.